vibe for me, man. You niggas be giving me weird vibes and shit, man. Hey, Scoot, already, bro.
Little nigga, you giving me bitch vibes. Act just like a hoe and just pick sides. Act just like a rat, cause you 6'9", and we know you a lame, just be quiet. Lil' hoe, you giving me slut vibes. Bit ratchet and fuck, stuck up vibes. Hoe think I'm a duck, get plucked vibes. If I say that it's up, it's stuck high. Little nigga, you giving me fake vibes. Blend in with the grass, them snake vibes. My diamond like water, like lakeside. Can't crap when I roll, no snake eyes. Yo hood be giving me scared vibes. Blue men in my pocket, them dead guys. If your name on the paper, them fed vibes. I get on the stand and just tell lies. Off the muscle, I ain't finna play with these niggas. Gotta go get some money, can't play in the pillar. We know he a bitch cause he stay in the middle. Act just like a hoe, hit face in the pillar. Package the load, I'ma make it deliver. I don't like how you vibe, can't hang with the killers. I hang with the step with the plug, the gorillas. You hang with the junkie, the hoes, the still. Your vibe kinda off cause you hate on a nigga. If I blow up today, I can't wait on a nigga. Won't act like we cool, I won't fake for a nigga. Them Instagram like do not make you a killer. I fuck around, beat the face off a nigga. I don't fuck with your vibe, get away from a nigga. I'm dripping Dior in the A with some hitter. My diamond like water, they coming like river. Hey, I don't really fuck with your vibe. Head cock to the left and it stuck to this side. I'ma step out the way cause I trust in the guy. AUG chop him up, send him up to the sky. Hey, I'm popping like grease on some fries. I smoke me a blunt, I'ma sleep through the ride. We know you ain't ballin', we peepin' your vibe. Catch him with the racks and we leaving them dry. Hey, they seeing this, me no surprise. Ain't never been stupid, I see through the lie. Don't care about the J, he don't need a disguise. I'm smoking that cookie, flex serving them pie. Hey, let me take you on a ride. The soul in the flesh, I ain't one of them guys. You know how I'm coming, you know I ain't lied. I'm solid 10 toes to the day that I die. Little nigga, you giving me bitch vibes. Act just like a hoe and just pick sides. Act just like a rat cause you 6'9", and we know you a lame, just be quiet. Lil' hoe, you giving me slut vibes. Bit ratchet and fuck, stuck up vibes. Hoe think I'm a duck, get plucked vibes. If I say that it's up, it's stuck high. Little nigga, you giving me fake vibes. Blend in with the grass, some snake vibes. My diamond like water, like lakeside. Can't crap when I roll, no snake eyes. Yo hood be giving me scared vibes. Blue men in my pocket, them dead guys. If your name on the paper, them fed vibes. I get on the stand and just tell lies.
What it do, KD, man? Hey! Say be the vibe for me, man. Keep that bullshit on there, man. Hey! Big walked out!